Welcome to this tutorial on creating desktop shortcuts for your EasyBilling workspaces. This handy feature streamlines your workflow, especially if you manage multiple companies. It lets you launch specific workspaces directly from your desktop. First, let's create a shortcut for a new workspace. Input the name of your workspace and specify folder location for your workspace. You'll find a Create Desktop Shortcut option. Simply check this box. Once you save the workspace, the shortcut icon will be automatically created on your desktop. For existing workspaces, it's just as easy. Open the workspace you want to create shortcut, and you'll see the Create Desktop Shortcut button. Click on the button will create the shortcut icon. The desktop shortcut will feature the same icon as EasyBilling, but it will be named after the workspace itself. One of the great advantages of this feature is that you can open different workspaces simultaneously. This can be particularly useful if you're managing multiple companies at the same time. That's it. Creating desktop shortcuts in EasyBilling is a simple yet powerful way to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching.